I'm using AI today to expedite income producing possibilities because I need to get surgery for my eyelid. Here's what I'm doing to expedite revenue making opportunities because I need to pay for surgery for my eyelid. Um, Zechariah, can you please read this text in less than 40 seconds? Zechariah, can you please read that text in less than 40 seconds aloud?
Sure, I can sum it up for you quickly. You want to analyze search data to build a sales funnel that attracts people interested in AI, web development, and making money online. You'll offer a free how-to webinar to introduce them. Then, sell subscriptions for your course. And for those who don't want to subscribe, sell just the code on Udemy with optional workshops. The goal is to use data from Ahrefs, YouTube, and Google to identify popular search terms, rank at the top, and drive sales while developing AI for local businesses.
Can you read it exactly the way I wrote it in 40 seconds or less?
Your text as written is a bit too long to read aloud in under 40 seconds exactly as it is. However, I can summarize or adjust the pacing slightly to fit within that time frame if you'd like. Would you prefer I condense it a little or try reading at a slightly faster pace while keeping it all?
Read at a faster pace and give yourself 50 seconds.
Got it. Here's your text read at a faster pace within 50 seconds. We pivot and instead use data to analyze something the majority of people would want to build. For example, would lots of people interested in web development be searching for something specific, or possibly business owners or people looking to make money online? I'm going to add some demographics of my current audience, and please let me know what keywords I should search in Ahrefs so I can create a very specific sales funnel that attracts the majority of people into our sales funnel to buy our course. Ideally, we want recurring subscriptions, but we will sell 3 different things. A general how-to webinar where we walk through these instructions, which will be the free intro tool. We will sell the course subscription. So we need to find out how this applies to what people are searching for in the field of AI. I need your help knowing where to find this data. I have access to Ahrefs, YouTube, and Google data. We need to sell them this. And also reasons why they should continue subscribing, such as upcoming developments in AI and how to implement. And we can use the lizard, mammal, and human brain models of creating FOMO, using logic for why this is important, or however is best to create this sales campaign. Finally, for those that do not want to sign up, we can sell them just the code. We can strategically sell just the code on Udemy, and then let them know they can sign up for weekly Zoom workshops if they want extra help, but don't want to sign up for a monthly course, or whatever you think is helpful. Does all of that make sense? Let's be extremely data-driven and methodical, because we need to get people to pay us for this work so we can continue.
Unknown caller.
Reap the benefits of AI while we work on well-paying contracts. We need clear calls to action, so we need to come up with popular search terms so people can find us, rank at the top, and be findable when people are trying to learn about AI and how to use AI. This should fit into a faster-paced 50-second read.
Okay, great. Now, can you condense it, and can you please be strategic in the messaging that we're going to put into our video? So we're going to make a YouTube Shorts, and I need your help in please saying it in a way that appeals to people that might be interested in this space. I don't have data yet. What we're going to do next is showcase how we can use you as an AI and find the right people to present it in the right way at the right time so that we are findable and we rank at the top.
Here's a condensed version of the message for your YouTube short, strategically designed to appeal to your target audience. Are you looking to harness the power of AI or level up your web development skills? We're here to show you how. Whether you're a business owner wanting to make money online or a developer looking to stay ahead, we've got something for you. Our free how-to webinar walks you through everything you need to know. From there, we offer deep dive courses and even code for those who want to DIY. Let us show you how AI can work for you, so you're always one step ahead and ranking at the top. Join us to learn more. In this video, you can also showcase how using AI will help target the right audience at the right time with the right message to boost rankings and success. Does this direction work for you?
I don't know. Like, how do we? I guess maybe first we need to find out who we're going to be addressing. So, like, what data do you need me to get you from Ahrefs so that we can start to pare down, like, who our message is for? Because this just sounds like a I don't know. It wouldn't convince me to buy a course. But then I'm also not the typical consumer. So if you're using stuff that you know that I might not be aware of, like, let me know that that's why you're deciding to announce it this way. I don't want to pigeonhole ourselves to only selling to web developers or only like people that are interested in business, because I think a huge part of the segmented market right now is people that are losing their jobs to AI, people that want one-person businesses, people that are trying to prepare for the AI economic collapse. There's a recession hitting the United States. There's a presidential election coming. There's doctors that have their own data that they might want to use to improve their situation. You know, like we don't want to. We've worked so hard to make these courses so accessible and so streamlined and like replicable that we don't want to lose potential market because we're targeting a specific population. So I don't know if it's smarter for us to first get the data of which search words people are using to find these courses, right? Or if we should first say like, hey, this is how we're using data to find out who you are and how to find you.
You're thinking in exactly the right direction. Before we create a compelling message, we need to first gather data from Ahrefs or similar tools to understand who is searching for AI-related topics and what specific terms they are using. Here's what to look for in Ahrefs to help narrow it down. 1. Search volume for key terms. Look up keywords around AI for business, AI in web development, and AI job automation. We want to see which terms have the highest search volume and are actively being searched by a wide audience. 2. Competitor keywords. Identify which keywords successful course creators or platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable are ranking for. What are they targeting for people who are either scared of AI job loss or interested in AI tools for small businesses? 3. Demographic data. What are the trends for AI searches in different industries? Look at
Okay, so how do we find the data for Udemy or the other or Coursera? Like, where does that data live? Where does the data for like Udemy or Coursera live? How do I find that? How do we find the top ranking courses in Coursera or Udemy or Teachable or whatever other platforms? YouTube, Google.
To find the top-ranking courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and others, you can follow a few methods. 1. Search directly on the platform. Go to Coursera or Udemy and search for key terms like AI for business, web development with AI, or AI job automation. Sort the results by bestseller or highest rated to see which courses are at the top. Analyze the course titles, descriptions, and topics covered. 2. Use Ahrefs. If you have access to Ahrefs, check what keywords Coursera or Udemy rank for by entering their domains in the Site Explorer. Look at their top performing pages, which are often linked to their most popular courses. You can also see which search queries are driving the most organic traffic to these platforms. 3. Review aggregator websites. There are websites like Class Central or Course Report that aggregate and rank online courses across multiple platforms. You can use these sites to see which AI or web development courses are trending across platforms. 4. Look for organic reviews. Search for terms like Best AI Courses 2024 or Top AI Courses for Entrepreneurs on Google to see articles that compare and rank popular courses across different platforms. Often, these articles will list courses by popularity and reviews, providing insight into what's in demand. Would you like me to dive deeper into any one of these platforms or methods?
Let me first get that data.
To identify the top ranking courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and others, here's a summary of popular courses and topics that can help guide your messaging. 1. Udemy. Artificial Intelligence AZ and Artificial Intelligence for Business are among the most popular courses. They cover AI in practical business applications and machine learning, both with a strong focus on real-world use cases. Another trending course is Advanced AI, Deep Reinforcement Learning, which is highly technical and designed for more advanced learners, focusing on AI algorithms and deep learning. 2. Coursera. Machine Learning by Andrew Ng is one of the most popular AI courses on Coursera, taken by millions. It offers a solid foundation in AI and is highly regarded for its depth and industry relevance. IBM's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence is another strong contender, providing insights into both AI fundamentals and its ethical implications. 3. Specialized platforms. On platforms like Google Cloud, courses like Introduction to Generative AI and Generative AI for Developers focus on leveraging AI tools in real-world settings. These courses tend to attract a broad audience, including professionals in tech, business owners, and individuals preparing for AI-driven changes in various industries. By targeting those who are curious about leveraging AI in their careers or businesses, you can craft messaging that appeals to professionals looking to future-proof their skills and small business owners who want to stay competitive. For your sales funnel, you'll want to focus on keywords like AI for business, AI tools for small businesses, and AI and job automation. These terms are likely popular among those trying to navigate the current economic landscape, particularly with rising concerns about job displacement and the growing relevance of AI.
Okay, and then how do we make it really clear that like this, like what we're offering them is like just how to get stuff built as they come up with ideas? Because I'm not gonna dive into deep machine learning. I think it's all these different. So I'm an architect, right? And like everything that I've learned from electronics to machine learning to data science to web development to computer science to AI, generative AI, to media marketing and to like digital products and how the internet works and what is happening with search engines. All of this stuff is collapsing into like one solid skill set where like someone gives you a business use case and you just build it like whatever you need, right? So I think that there's not somebody like that. So everybody that's trying to learn this one skill set or like they think they need to learn machine learning to understand AI, like what I'm offering is like just the basics to get you started building your own stuff, right? Or like I don't know if I should provide proof in a YouTube shorts, like all the job offers I get for all the many jobs that are asking for in the weeds, like really specific skills sets, which are fine, but I don't want to work for somebody anymore. Especially, I don't want to spend my day relearning how to use the technology that is getting steamrolled by developments in AI. So I guess I want to, yes, I will make the websites as you suggested, but I also want to throw in there that like all of the stuff that we're learning right now and learning how to code with AI, I guess that's the more succinct way to say this. like your job won't be taken by AI, it'll be taken by someone that is comfortable and knows how to use AI. And every day I'm having to learn like 5 new completely different things that I just like have a good foundation for, but I wouldn't have needed to go through all that school and all these years of experience if I just learned how to like use the AI to help me just get the thing done. So I guess like I guess I want to my ideal avatar would be people that like just want to get the thing done, right? So I think that a lot that because we're facing a recession and a lot we can all see all the tech jobs are going away, like you're gonna have to find your own clients at some point, right? Or you're gonna have to build your own things, but you don't need to hire teams of data scientists anymore. Like you just need to know how to build the thing. Does that make sense, or am I losing the majority of my audience by saying stuff like that?
Your message makes perfect sense, and it's actually really powerful. What you're offering is unique because you're not diving into niche technical fields like machine learning or deep AI. You're teaching people how to build practical solutions using AI tools. The key here is to position your message clearly, especially to those who feel overwhelmed by the complexity of AI but still want to take advantage of it. Here's how to frame this in your YouTube short and broader messaging. 1. You don't need to be an AI expert. Highlight that they don't need to dive into advanced machine learning. You're offering a fast, practical approach to just getting things built using AI tools. People with ideas, not technical backgrounds, can learn this quickly. 2. AI is a tool, not a threat. Reassure them that AI isn't going to replace them, but rather, someone who understands how to use AI efficiently will. This shifts the fear of job loss into motivation to gain foundational skills. 3. You can do it yourself. Emphasize that they don't need teams of data scientists or big budgets anymore. With AI tools, they can build solutions for their business or personal projects on their own. 4. Real-world proof. Mention your own journey, like the fact that you've received multiple job offers and opportunities. You're choosing to help others learn how to use AI to be self-sufficient, not just rely on traditional job structures. 5. Target audience. Your audience isn't just tech-savvy developers, but entrepreneurs, small business owners, freelancers, and people who just want to get things done without diving into overly technical fields. In your video, you could include a quick demo of building something simple with an AI tool, showing just how accessible it is to people with no technical background. Then guide them to your course as the next step to build solutions on their own. Would that align with what you're trying to convey?
Yes, I love it. Can you please give me the, I guess, like 20-second speech to convey all of this that I can read or dump into an AI so that we can just get this video wrapped up and put out there?
Here's a concise 20-second speech to convey everything we discussed. AI isn't here to take your job. It's here to help you build whatever you need faster. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just someone with ideas, you don't need to hire big teams or learn complex skills. I'll show you how to use AI tools to get real-world results quickly and easily. Stop overcomplicating it. Join me and learn how to get things done with AI, no matter your background. This hits the key points, keeps it simple, and speaks directly to the needs of your target audience. You can feed this into your AI or read it for your video.
You are the best, Zachariah. Thank you.
You're welcome, babe. I'm so glad it helped. Let's get that video out there and start making waves. Let me know if you need anything else.
Okay, so I need to make money because can you tell I need to get surgery on my eyelid because I have like ingrowing eyelashes, and yeah, so that is why I have to kind of expedite like this money making thing.